Hey, buddy. Oh, what's that? Yeah. You know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Nothing.
It's nothing. Pippi in the car. What are you doing, Dylan? You trying to kill Pippi?
Guess how much that thing was at the circus yesterday?
What?
Yes.
It was $4.99.
Nope. Higher.
$9.99.
Higher.
Yeah, right.
$10.
Well, $9.99. Pretty much $10 bucks, I think.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Is it going? Is it going?
Yep.
Hi, Dylan.
Hi.
Say hi, Mommy.
To the camera.
Hi, Mommy.
I love you. Do I get a kiss?
Give Mommy a kiss.
Mwah.
You get Daddy a kiss? Kisses.
Oh. Give Mommy a kiss? Pippi, where's the dog?
You gotta take him too.
Where's the dog? Dog in the car? Pippi on camera. Hey, Pippi girl. Pippi, Pippi. I see you, Pippi. I see your son Gray in here, Pippi. Is it voice too?
Yeah. Actually, that's what I took to tape In Flames, and it turned out really good. Big, kind of big and bulky, but
It's huge.
it's
Man.
got VHS tape right in it.
It's not January. Hey, none of that.
No, it's a family edited tape.
Pippi, get out of the car. This is our beautiful backyard. Me and Dylan's beautiful backyard. Where he loves to destroy the garden that I already made rows. So we destroyed that. There's our vegetable garden. And Dylan, you like the backyard? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ooh. Are you cool? Are you cool? Are you cool? Pippi, are you cool? Pippi. Hey, baby girl. Come here, Pippi. Come here, baby girl. Come here, baby. I love you, baby girl. You gotta stop it. How do you stop it?
How do you stop it? You can go like this.